It's Irish nachos, AKA waffle fries, topped with basically a turkey Reuben, which is called a Rachael. We are using for the potatoes waffle fries. Yum! I throw these in the oven at 450 and I let them go at least 20 minutes. I like them a little longer than the package directions so they get super, super crispy. While the waffle fries are in there, I mix together a little sprinkle of salt and pepper, and while they're still hot and they're straight from the oven, I put a little sprinkle of onion, garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper on top. So that is our nacho chip. So for the dressing, instead of mayonnaise for the base, I use either Greek yogurt or sour cream. I have sour cream today. It's tangier and it's thicker, so it stands up a little better. I'm gonna add ketchup to this. Of course, the basic ingredients are traditionally mayo, ketchup, and relish. I use sour cream or Greek yogurt, ketchup, and relish. And then I spice it up with a little Worcestershire. And if you want it extra spicy, I add a little horseradish. It's really good. Think like Bloody Mary, okay? That's basically what this is. I made a Bloody Mary salad dressing. And there's nothing wrong with that. So anyway, you mix this all together, a little salt and pepper, throw it into a squishy bottle, keep it all week. I've chopped up the turkey. The fries are working in the oven. On down here, we've got the sauerkraut. I like to spike my sauerkraut too. I add cumin and caraway. They're delicious together. And a little mustard seed to mine. So I'm gonna warm this up, our spicy sauerkraut, and I'm also preheating what I serve this from, a big old cast iron skillet. So these are my extra crispy waffle fries with the parsley, garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. I know, that's why I was eating them during the commercial break. So you let that be the bed, right? And this is gonna go back in the oven, of course, to melt the cheese and cook the sandwich topping. Then we're going to take our turkey pastrami, pile that up, and I'm gonna layer in our warm sauerkraut that we spiked with cumin and caraway. This helps heat that thinly sliced deli meat kind of from both sides here. So I just sort of layer that in. Then go back with the rest of our pastrami. I'm not gonna waste that last little spoonful of delicious sauerkraut. Probiotics, you know. This makes it healthy. All right, now we're gonna top that with a bunch of shredded Swiss. And I like to mix it up. I put Swiss and cheddar on mine. And then we're gonna melt this cheese and top it with our special sauce and herbs after this. Now we've got our horseradish special sauce. Woo-hoo! And then we've got our fresh dill and chives. And then it is nachos, so we've got pickled jalapenos.